Greetings, Earth creatures. Welcome to my channel. And, yep, by my host, Muhammad Sonic Boom. By your host, Muhammad Sonic Boom. And, yep, what are we gonna do today? Test and unbox this, yep, cardboard microphone. We all know that it's compatible with any action camera, yeah? And a laptop, any computer, tablet, phone, camcorder, or everything else, yes? So, yep, without further ado, we're gonna unbox it. And don't forget to subscribe. Here we go. Time to unbox this. Time to unbox this. Sorry about that. Must have had too much clutter on my desk. There. I'll just cut it with these scissors. Check. Let's see what's inside. Okay then, what's inside this? Ta-da! Contains everything. Yup, that's what it contains here. Contains the manual. It contains the instructions. Containing the instructions, and they have the parts list. Parts list, yep, that's what it contains, right there. See, the parts list, it says here, contains the furry windshield, and the microphone itself. It contains the furry windshield. And the microphone itself inside. See? See? Contains the microphone itself. And a 3.5. Oopsie. Oops. Sorry. Nope. Contains a 3.5 millimeter audio jacket. And there, yep, 3.5 millimeter audio jacket. Shock mounts. 2 shock mounts. Check. And then there is an audio output cable. See? Contains both these cables. That's what it contains. See? Contains the audio jackets over there. See? And those are this one says here goes to the smartphone. And that one is for camcorders. So, right now, and it also contains the carrying case for your accessories. Like this, see? So now, we're gonna go test it with my phone. With my phone. La 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 la. So I'm connecting this USB adapter for Samsung. I'll turn on my camera, and I'll go on okay? So right now, I'm gonna go on Pro Video, right there. See? I'm already on Pro Video. So right now, of course you know what I'm doing. Yep. So I'm already on Pro Video, like this, see? And now, we're gonna plug this in there. Yep, plugged in. And whichever one we need to use, we're gonna plug in here. To the smartphone. Plug it into the smartphone. See? Like this. Like this. See? Like that, right? Next comes the microphone, right? First I gotta follow the instructions, alright? So with this, yep, like that, see, like that. I will soon plug it in. Check. There we go. All plugged in. All plugged in. And now for the fun part. There. All plugged in. Now for the fun part. Connecting this. Ta-da! Oops. Ta-da! Ta-da! It works. It works. See? And I allow it to do this. Allow it to do this. Like that, see? Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, testing. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, almost. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, test. See? Works. Unlike my external microphones will only work, but for condenser microphones, they have like low sound in it. So let's try it for the condenser microphone. There you go. Condenser microphone set. Now to plug these in. Let's try this one. Okay. Testing, 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 1, 2, 3, testing, testing. Now let's see it again. Yep. You know what, the condenser microphone is not working, you know. Because with that condenser microphone, it's not working on the phone. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, testing, testing. See? This one worked. Oh. See? This is the external microphone. Really works than the condenser microphone. Unless somebody would recommend using this one for filming elevators. Right? That's why. I'd recommend using this condenser microphone, but I will use this microphone for the computer, like that. See? Microphone, check. Because I know that Diesel Doozy does have a microphone like that, you know. But I'll be back. I'll be back, guys. So I'll be testing my GoPro. Dum de dum 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 de dum 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 de dum 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 de dum 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 dum. Yep, my GoPro Media Mod has a microphone already, but I'll take that off just to be safe. And you know what I'm gonna do next? I'm gonna be switching the cables. And this one connects to the camcorder. Must have been my notification. Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. Gonna connect this cable right there. Gonna connect this cable. Gonna connect this cable right to the microphone. Check. I'm gonna connect this to the microphone. Got it. There we go. And yeah, it does have a sliding port, you know. But I better be careful, you know, because it tends to slip out. Like the shoe mount I had from Amazon, which I'm gonna return it because I think when I used it for the condenser microphone right there I have, it's heavy. It's a little heavy, you know. But this one feels much lighter. This one feels much lighter. See? Those days when I had autism. Those are the days when I had autism. Never forget that day. Oops. Oh. Oops. Maybe this one works. I bet this one can work. Let me see that. Huh? Oh, flips in. Let me try that one. Let me try it again. Let me see if we can plug it, if you can move, push it in like this. Good. All pushed in like this. See? All pushed in. Now I'm gonna plug in my GoPro and test it and see if it works. Oh. That's better. That's better. Well, oh, voila! Now to turn on. Okay, it's on. Now to test. Now to test it and see if it works. Now, I don't know why I used that. I would just go to my settings here and then head to preferences and head to preferences like this. Mods, media mod. Usually I would go if the audio ain't loud enough, I would go with the standard mic, which is way better. like this, or powered. Okay, time for a test. Testing, 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 1, 2, 3. Testing, 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 1, 2, 3. But, like this, see? Let's try it. Testing, 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 1, 2, 3. Testing, 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 1, 2, 3. See? Works, you know? This kind of microphone even works. But the condenser microphone is heavy, you know? Because I don't want to carry that because it's too heavy. This microphone, however, is lighter. Works for the camcorder, while the other works for the phone. And I also have this to thank for. With this windshield, I'll be able to use it to film elevators and whenever it's windy outside. Just like that. Even with the phone or with the camcorder. Well, but I think it's also the same with the GoPro Hero 9 I have. Also, it's the same with the GoPro Hero 9 I have. Either way, yeah. Well, who knows what I think of it. It even works, and also works with the phone as well. Come to think of it. Yep. Well then, this is Mom at Sonic Boom, signing off. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.